Welcome to the EDGE video tutorial series, Repair, Custom Job, and Appraisal, Intake, and Pickup. In this video, we'll cover working with repairs, custom jobs, and appraisals at point of sale. This includes repair intake, custom job intake, appraisal intake, payments, pickup, and adjustments and refunds. Repair intake. To take in a repair, begin the transaction as usual. Enter the associate ID and find the customer. Select Repair Intake. For every repair, you must enter the item being repaired, create at least one task with a price, and an ETA. Additionally, you can record the customer's declared value to track liability. By checking Express Service, you can mark the job Express and automatically add a percentage to the cost. There is space for a note that won't be seen by the customer. If your camera is set up, you can use Acquire to take a picture of the item. When a job is marked complete, the EDGE can send automatic notifications via email or text message. If it is an item that they bought from you, you can indicate that. For repairs you do while a customer waits, you can use the Already Finished option, which completes the full cycle in one step. To enter more detail about a task, go to the task area. Enter at least one task and price of parts and labor associated with it. The Who field indicates who is responsible for the task, or you can assign a Who for the entire job. You can add another task if needed using the Add Task button. You can use task details to add more information. If you mark a price estimated, you'll get further options. If the customer is giving you a deposit, you can enter that. Click OK, Save and Close. A sale line will appear on the POS screen. You can add other sales or activities to this transaction. Take Tender and click Done to view the receipt. The receipt will show the job. Print it as a claim check for the customer. If anything needs to be changed later, you can do so through the Services area. Custom Job Intake. Custom job intake and tasks work much like repairs. Start by initiating the transaction with your associate ID. Find the customer. Click Custom Job Intake. The data fields are similar to that of repair intake, but there is more emphasis on planning the end product. The parts and tasks may not be known until further planning is performed. You will probably manage the detail of the job in the Services area. For initial intake, in the General tab, complete the fields as needed. Describe the job. If the price is estimated, you'll get further options, such as Do Not Exceed. Optionally, enter an ETA and a deposit amount, which may be zero until the job is fully estimated. To build pricing for the job, you must visit the Tasks and/or Parts tab in Custom Job Intake. Here, we'll go to the Tasks tab and enter a task with parts and labor. Add additional known tasks and parts by clicking Add Task. Add parts through the Parts tab. For a part provided by the customer, check Belongs to Customer and record the declared value. This value will be recorded on the customer's receipt. Click OK, Save and Close. Take payment for deposits and other items as shown in the Do field. Select a tender method, enter an amount tendered, and select Done. View the receipt to see the record of the job and print it for the customer. Appraisal Intake. To take in an appraisal job, go to POS, enter your associate ID, and find the customer. Select Appraisal Intake. Complete the fields as follows. If the item was bought from your store, use the Item Find function to locate the item and pull in the record. That will help populate some of these fields. If not already populated, enter the customer's estimate of the item's value. This is primarily to track your liability. Enter the fee for conducting the appraisal. If the fee is estimated, indicate that. Check the tax option if applicable. The edge will return a subtotal. Enter the deposit provided by the customer. The edge will show the balance to be paid at pickup. Capture an image of the item. Indicate how the customer should be notified when the appraisal is complete. Provide a description of the item. It will serve as a basis for the item description in the appraisal. Add notes as needed. Select OK, Save and Close. A line item will be created in POS. You can add other sales and line items as needed. Take payment, which includes the deposit for the appraisal, and complete the sale. The receipt will show the pickup details. Updates to the appraisal job should be made as described in the Edge User Guide or in the help system found by clicking the yellow Help button from the Edge. Taking payments. Additional payments can be taken using the Make Payment function. Bring up the customer, select Make Payment. Select the item to make a payment on, and select OK. Continue as usual to take tender and complete the transaction. Job Pickup. When work has been done in the shop and the job is marked complete, the Edge will send a notification. See the Edge User Guide for more about managing services and notifications. When the customer comes in, bring up the customer record in POS. Notice the Pickup button is green. Click it. A list of available orders will appear. Select the order or orders to be picked up and select OK. A line item with remaining payment due will appear. Add sale items if desired. Complete the transaction by selecting the tender type. Enter the amount taken and select Done. Notice the receipt will show the item has been picked up. Adjustments and refunds. If you need to adjust the charges or other details of an already picked up repair or custom job, you can use the Adjust feature. From POS, locate the customer and click Return Adjust. From the customer's results, select the job record in question. Make changes as needed. Enter a reason and description for the adjustment. Click OK, Save and Close. Complete the transaction as usual. You can find more detail about these features in the Edge User Guide and by clicking the yellow Help button from anywhere within the Edge. Thank you for viewing the Repair, Custom Job, and Appraisal Intake and Pickup video tutorial. We hope this information was useful. Feel free to contact us at support@abbottshapiro.com.